Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So I have some news for you guys. If you've used PoolTogether, you probably have free money ready to claim. So PoolTogether, if you don't know what it is, it's a no-loss lottery savings. You deposit USD coin, which is a stable coin pegged to the US dollar 1 to 1, or DAI, DAI. It's a stable coin that tries to always be around 1 US dollar. Um, and you get 1 to 1 for the tickets. So you get entered into the lottery by buying, depositing USD coin into, like right here, you click deposit USD coin, ticket amount, and let's say you want to deposit 100 USD coin, right? 1 USD coin equals 1 ticket. You have a 1 in 37,508 chance of winning every week. And what is there to win? Well, this week's prize value is 27,926, but it is the grand prize and then runner-ups. So as you can see, it's the grand prize is this amount plus the whatever's in the loot box, and then there's some runner-ups, and that's paid out I think every week. And they recently added more. It looks like Uniswap and Compound to deposit in here, but anyways, I actually made this YouTube video a while back, April 1st, 2020, where I actually told you guys about PoolTogether and how it could be a possible way for you to earn some extra money. It's in a sense, obviously, it's not like you're earning any interest or any money because it's stable coins, but it's kind of like gambling without having the losing part of it. So I think it's really cool because people like gambling, but obviously for only the benefit of it to win, not to lose. So that's why PoolTogether is really cool. It's no risk, and so I actually used it for a few months. Probably not as long as I thought because my airdrop wasn't as big as other people's because how they did their airdrop, it was based on how long you've used their protocol for of V1 and I guess V2 as well. And yeah, I actually took out some USD coin to buy Chainlink around like $5, I think, or $6. But then I sold it and did something else with it. I don't know what I did with it. But basically, what I'm saying is I probably would have made more money if I just kept it in PoolTogether. And the reason I like that they do it based on the amount of time you have the money deposited in is because it doesn't matter if you have $1 in or 100,000 or whatever. Whoever had it in longer is who will benefit from it. So it really and the people who it benefits the most are the early adopters who kept their money in to either support the project or just because they want to get money and they thought this was a cool way to do it as just an extra chance. I definitely should have kept a few bucks in it. I don't know why I didn't. I don't know. Maybe because I was like, might as well just pull it all. Like only having $3 in, I'm never gonna win. Like it's just gonna be wasted money at that point. But that was obviously before the Uniswap airdrop, and I didn't know all these apps or these dApps were going to be doing airdrops at the time. But maybe in September or October, I should have redeposited money in case I thought they were going to go that way. I didn't really know what they would do with the token, though, at the time. So, because I did think about depositing money in here, but I was like, I don't think they're going to make their own token. I don't know what they would do with it. But I guess I was wrong because I thought PoolTogether was a completely decentralized app, but it actually wasn't. I guess they needed their own token to create it to be 100% community driven for proposals and changes with governance with their token. And it makes sense that the people who stayed in the project the longest should get to decide what happens with the changes and proposals, or people who just want to spend a lot of money because they want to adjust different things in it. But yeah, I'll have the Medium article linked in the description. It came out recently. I did not, I thought it was pretty crazy. So the tokenomics are here. There's a lot of things to read in here and everything about it. So yeah, if you guys listen to me, then you guys would be getting this airdrop now. Or if you already knew about it before, as you can, then you'd be qualified as well, obviously. But anyways, as you guys can see, I am receiving 76.42 pool. 76.42 pool is currently basically $700 at its price of $35. It's gone as high as 45 in the past day. So from the 17th to the 19th in 2 days, it's gone from $32 to $10 to $40, now back to 35. So, and even 26 right here. So it's fluctuating a lot, but the max supply is only 10 million. While the Uniswap token has like 1 billion tokens. So it's like way more tokens. And there's only like 1.5 million in circulating. So I definitely am going to be holding on to this token because this is the Uniswap. I actually got 1,600 Uniswap tokens at the time. I cashed them all out around like $6, and I didn't. I did not use the money very well, is what I can say. So at this point, it would have been smarter to keep it in Uniswap or put it in Ethereum or Bitcoin, but I did not do that. Anyways, because I regret doing selling this, I thought I actually made a good choice, but obviously I didn't, because it went down to $2, and I was like, oh, good thing I sold at 5 or 6. But yeah, that wasn't the case because it went up to $20. So I'm gonna be holding my pool tokens most likely, unless I have a smarter token to throw my money in to, get way more money than I would just by holding this token. But that's a lot of hard decisions to make. I'd recommend go checking any. If you have used PoolTogether, go check anywhere you've ever used a crypto wallet or whatever with dApps and stuff. Also, I thought I received a lot of pool tokens for the airdrop. I thought that was a lot, like 2,000. It was like $2,000 or something when I first saw it, and I was pretty amazed. Like, whoa, what? I didn't even know I had that. But it just released a couple days, so it makes sense. I didn't know till now, as I don't really use PoolTogether anymore. But I do really like the dApp. I probably will deposit some money in soon. Obviously, I'm not expecting another airdrop. I don't know why they would do that, especially since it's fully decentralized now. But anyways, I had a couple of things. Oh yeah, so PoolTogether is a prize link savings account on the blockchain. Save money for a chance to win a prize. But about the airdrop. So we can see that this person talked about the airdrop. They said they've been using PoolTogether during its V1 protocol months ago, which I was too months ago. And yesterday they said they received the airdrop. Obviously, they got 366 pool for using V1 almost a year ago. So I guess I didn't hold it for a year. I must have held it in for like 3 months or 4 months at most likely. Because I think they said 366. That's like $13,000 as of right now. That's insane. Some of these other people, look at this guy. Over a year they've had it, and 500 pool, 380 pool, 468 pool. Just look at that, 468 pool. That much pool is 16,500. Just imagine getting that much paid out. It definitely would be worth holding just a few bucks of USD coin since V1 or whatever. But this guy said for a year on V2. I didn't know V2's been out for a year. So that's kind of confusing. I don't know if that guy's lying or not. Yeah, some people are saying that, like this guy I was just mentioning. So I got the Uni airdrop just because of PoolTogether. I sold the Uni too early, around $2.80. So I sold a little higher than him, but I had a lot more. But now I decided to hold Pool for a while. I don't see many reasons for the price to go down, and I agree $100 is not that far. Market cap is only 45 million now, and we have lots of useless projects with way more higher market caps than that. So yeah, I'll be holding for a while, at least until $70. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be holding until it reaches that. With the amount of pool that I have currently, 76.42, that would be 76.42. If it got to like $100, that'd be $7,000. So it's not too much, but better than what it's at right now. Yeah, I guess that's basically it. Just wanted to tell you guys, get the news out. I mean, I remember everyone was doing videos talking about Uniswap, and I didn't make one at the time. But I decided I'd tell you guys about PoolTogether because it's a little bit less not as well known. Uniswap's pretty big; everyone pretty much knows about it. PoolTogether is less known, but maybe you've interacted with it before and just kind of forgot about it. So if that's the case, definitely go check and see if you have any money still in it. And if that's the case, you probably have a lot of pool to claim. Possibly this amount if that person wasn't lying. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you do have any pool tokens, let me know what you're doing with it. Are you going to sell it for Bitcoin or Ethereum? Or are you going to put it into another altcoin on like Binance chain? Or are you going to be holding it for long term, kind of because maybe you made the same mistake with the Uniswap? Anyways, I'll see you guys later in the next video.